Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna do some improvements. We're gonna make array for each branch. So for example, we got 4 branches here, maybe you have 8 or 6, whatever number you have. So as you see here, for now we got one array and all the skills here. So what we want to do, we wanna do separate arrays for each branch. So when you got, for example, 200 skills all together, it's not all here because that would be hard to manage, but every individual branch. Okay, to start, before we start, I want just do one thing. So I was gonna do it in previous videos, maybe like last 2. I don't remember. I forgot about this every video. We just wanna update our icons of the skill, basically these icons. So to do it, we just get the icon, we set brush from texture, and then we're gonna get skill, break the skill, then from the skill data you're gonna get icon. You're just gonna call for icon, then it's gonna work, and then when you see it's updated. This one obviously they're not updated because they're not in our database. They're not added in array. That's why this is an update. Okay, to start now with our improvements, I'm gonna add tag, and it's gonna be gameplay tag. You just search for gameplay tag. I already have it here. If I search for gameplay tag, just leave it. Compile, save. We go in our component, kill tree component. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna what we're gonna do, we're gonna add here in input, we're gonna add tag, gameplay tag. So for example, let's unlock child skill. We have to do it in unlock skill as well. Tag, and we want to do in check skill as well. Yeah, tag. Okay, compile and save, and now we can go back in our skill slot. Let me move it down. So now we want to get the tag. Just connect tag here. That should be all right. Okay, another thing, it's gonna be here. So just get the tag and I can connect it. Just gonna get one and connect to all of them. A bit messy. Probably you got better way to do all the nodes. But for me, it's alright like this. Okay, once we got this, connect to all of them. We want to go back in our component. What we're gonna do, we're gonna switch on gameplay tag. Yeah. And now it's up to you what you choose. You need to choose. I got 4. Where is it? Okay, got 4. You just make a tag here. So to make a tag, you have to press add. We're gonna make skill 3 dot skill 3 1 for me. You can name it wherever you want. You can have branch 1, or you got specific name for your branch. For me, it's gonna be skill 3 1. Yeah, I'm not really creative with the names, so that's how it's gonna look. So now when you open it, what's happened? 1 second. Okay, I didn't use source, so just choose source again. Skill dot and your name. That'll be it. So now when you open it, you got the skill tree here, and you choose skill tree 1. Okay, and then you want to add new one. So choose source skill tree dot where's my dot skill tree 2. And then open skill 2, and I'm gonna do skill tree 3 as well. Skill tree 3, yeah. And then change this one. Oh, didn't save. Okay, doesn't matter for now. I will do it out. I will do it after. Okay, so what we wanna do? We wanna connect, for example, skill tree 1. Let's rename it as the skill tree 1. Okay, so that'll be our skill tree 1. We wanna move it. Then we're gonna get copy, duplicate. I'm gonna have skill tree 2, and we're gonna do exactly same thing. Copy that. Just change the array. Connect the array and connect with that. Obviously, just continue with all of yours. Branches, skill tree 3, skill tree 4, 5, 6. I just want to show you how to do it. So we do this with the check. Just copy everything, leave it as the same. You want to get ID, connect here, and it's gonna all work. So what you have to do now, you compile first, save. You see we got all the skills we got. So what you want to do, you want to just make sure you got all the skills from here and from your one branch. So let's say that's a branch 1. I got all the skills. Make sure all the skills are gonna be here, yeah? Make sure all the childs are correct in the order like I show you in previous videos. And obviously if this one is skill 2, make sure all of them are here as well in the order correct skills, yeah? And you want to also change it for unlock skill. You want to add, okay, I just add 2 for now. Get 1, skill tree 1, case 2, skill tree 2, yeah? Duplicate, copy, duplicate. Yeah, duplicate it. I'll move this one up a little bit. And then connect and make sure change this. Because we're setting up different array. It's very important that you change it. Okay, that's set. Yeah. And the same do with unlock child. We're gonna do switch. Gonna add 2 pins. Make sure I change it. Set 1 and 2. Again, duplicate it. Connect. Change that for 2. Okay. And now we have to just change all the skills correctly. I'm just gonna do it quick cut, and we're back when I'm done with everything. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm done. I got my 3 branches. So you see I add different skills to each with the childs all correct, all representing skill tree. So now what you want to do, You want to go in the skill tree widget, pick up, that's, I said, that's a branch one for me. No, first of all, go back in slot, go press tag, and press insert editable. Now, when you come back here, you see you can add a tag, just add tag. Skill 1, skill 1, skill 1. Okay, and this is gonna skill. It's better if you add it, that's gonna be 2 or 3. Second, not sure which one I put on which one. That will be 2, 3. That one is number 3. And that one is number 2. It's 1, 2, 3. Doesn't make sense because that would be 4. And it should go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And once you set everything up with correct tag, we can test it. And as you see, boom, you got all the icons changed. So if something is not correct, you're gonna have blank, no picture like this. I mean, wherever your design is, but you're not gonna have picture, you're not gonna have icon. So it means either you didn't set it up in component or you didn't put right tag. But yeah, but you see, you can unlock it and it's all work. And it doesn't work here. Okay, and it doesn't work here. And that's good. 1 second. Let's see what's happened. Try again. Just take the pointer away, but it doesn't update it. It's work here for okay. It doesn't work on tree number 3. And why this one got unlocked? This one got unlocked because it's got unlocked on the wrong. It should got unlocked on portion 4. I'm gonna change this. Actually, no, on this one. It should unlock on this one. Let's see for now. It should unlock on this one, but it's not set it up yet. So let's put any. Doesn't really matter for now. Just to now make it light up. So this one, this tree doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? We'll see in a second. It's all connect. It's connect on unlock. Oh, I didn't change. When I copy, I didn't change for number 3. It's very important that you do so, because it won't work if you don't. You need to make sure all check, unlock, and unlock child is set up properly, and connect IDs, skill ID and everything. But when you now go back, you see you cannot unlock here because it's not unlocked yet, but once you press it, you can unlock, and everything work. And that would be it. One thing, if you don't, make sure that you put tag everywhere on check, skill check. So when you're setting up skill, make sure you add tag here, or this won't work and you're not gonna have the icon. And that would be it for today. In next 2 episodes, I'm gonna show you how to reset skill. So whenever you buy some, you can reset them and get points back, and that will be 2 episodes. After that 2 episodes, I will make show of how you can add a skill once you unlock the skill in a skill tree, I'm gonna show how to add attribute for the stats, how to increase the attribute, how to increase portion, something like flask, health flask. And yeah, that will be it for today. I'll see you in next episode. Leave that comment, like, and subscribe.